This video is about nutrient-dense superfood figs. Figs, scientifically known as Ficus carica, are a delectable fruit that offers a plethora of health benefits and has been consumed for centuries due to its sweet taste and various nutritional advantages. This video aims to delve into 10 remarkable benefits of figs, exploring how to best consume them, and suggesting where they can be easily found. Benefit 1. Nutrient richness. Figs are a powerhouse of essential nutrients. They are a great source of dietary fiber, vitamins such as A, B, and K, and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, zinc, copper, manganese, iron, and calcium. These nutrients are vital for our overall well-being, aiding in proper body function, bone health, and immunity. Benefit 2. Rich in antioxidants. Figs are packed with antioxidants, including polyphenols and flavonoids. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body by neutralizing harmful free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and slowing down the aging process. Benefit 3. Digestive health. Figs are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting overall gastrointestinal health. Benefit 4. Heart health. The high levels of potassium and low levels of sodium in figs make them a heart-healthy fruit. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Additionally, the fiber content helps in reducing cholesterol levels, further promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Benefit 5. Diabetes management. Figs have a low glycemic index and can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. The natural sugars in figs are released slowly into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Moreover, the fiber in figs can aid in better blood sugar control. Benefit 6. Weight management. Figs can be a valuable addition to a weight management regimen. They are low in calories, yet their fiber content provides a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Including figs in a balanced diet can thus contribute to weight loss or weight maintenance. Benefit 7. Bone health. The rich calcium content in figs contributes to bone health. Calcium is essential for maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Incorporating figs into one's diet can be particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of bone-related issues. Benefit 8. Skin health. Figs have been used for centuries in skincare due to their potential benefits for the skin. The antioxidants present in figs help combat free radicals, potentially reducing signs of aging and promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. Benefit 9. Respiratory health. Figs have been traditionally used to alleviate respiratory conditions such as asthma due to their expectorant and soothing properties. They can help reduce mucus and phlegm in the respiratory tract, providing relief to individuals with respiratory issues. Benefit 10. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest that figs may possess anti-cancer properties. The presence of certain compounds in figs, such as benzaldehyde and coumarin, has shown potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. However, more research is needed to substantiate these claims. How to consume figs. Figs can be enjoyed in various ways. Fresh. Eating fresh figs is a delightful experience. Simply wash them and enjoy their natural sweetness and unique texture. Dried figs are a popular and convenient option. They can be consumed as a snack or added to salads, oatmeal, or baked goods. Fig jam. Figs can be made into a delicious jam, perfect as a spread on toast or a topping for desserts. Smoothies. Incorporate figs into your smoothies for a natural sweetener and added nutritional value. Salads. Fresh or dried figs can enhance the flavor and nutritional content of your salads. Baked goods. Use figs in baking muffins, bread, or cakes to add a unique taste and texture. Where to find figs? Figs are widely available in local markets. Fresh figs are commonly found in local markets, especially during the fig season. Grocery stores. Dried figs, fig jams, and fig-based products are readily available in grocery stores year-round. Specialty stores, health food stores, and specialty markets often stock various fig products, including organic options. Online retailers. Figs, both fresh and dried, can be purchased from online retailers, providing access to a wide range of options. Figs are a remarkable fruit offering an array of health benefits due to their rich nutrient profile. From aiding digestion to promoting heart health and contributing to weight management, figs can be a valuable addition to one's diet. They can be enjoyed in multiple forms, making it easy to incorporate them into daily meals. With their widespread availability, figs are a convenient and delicious way to boost overall well-being.